Andrea here with Harlow and Thistle. Back again. Today we're talking about fans, ceiling fans. I know some people are hot and cold about them. I myself wasn't a fan of fans, but after I got this one, I have to say I'm a changed woman. I love them. So first off, I want to say thank you to Emerson Fans for partnering with us on this project. This fan I selected is called the Aster, and I love it because it's got like a round ball and it kind of matches the rest of the lighting in my home. The other thing I love about it is this little remote control. Like, I can do this from my bed. I can turn the light on and off. I can turn the fan on to full blast. I can roll over and turn it off if I want to. I don't have to get up or anything. So I just love the remote control, and I think that's one of the number one considerations you should have when you are selecting a fan is whether or not, or what the controls are on the fan. So like, do you have a remote control, or do you have to do it from the light switch? Or is it one of those like little pulley things? They've made so many advances in fans that I'm sure you'll find what you're looking for. They also have like different options for how many blades you have, or you know, what it looks like. Yeah, so the other thing you want to consider is how high your ceilings are. So you have to have at least 9-foot ceilings to put in a ceiling fan. There needs to be a clearance of 7 feet underneath the fan. And even with a 9-foot ceiling, you should still get like a flush mount fan that's kind of smaller inside. Emerson Fans, on their website, they have all this great information, so check it out. I'll link it below. I'll also link the Aster in the description below. It's just one of my favorites. I love the gold accents, and I love the dark black. It also comes in different colors, which is pretty cool. So anyway, let me know, are you a fan of fans? And have you explored like the options that the advances they've made since the 80s? It's pretty cool. Thank you again for watching the video. Give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, or subscribe below. Be sure to check out the other ladies in the Modern Handmade Home series and see where they've put fans in their houses. Talk to you soon.